Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering who has rewatched your Snapchat stories and you want to reveal that user or that person on Snapchat, you came to the right video. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method as well. So let's jump right into it. Of course we're going to be using the Snapchat app for this process, so let's get something out of the way first. Open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Simply search for Snapchat and let's make sure we have the app updated, or at least have one of the newer versions for everything to work properly. After that, quit from the store, open WhatsApp now. Of course you have to be logged into your account, and let's start by opening your Snapchat profile. So tap on the Bitmoji in the top left corner of the screen right here, and from here let's start by making a story. So I'm gonna post a story right here. It's gonna take me to my gallery. I'm gonna pick the picture that I want to post as a story. I'm gonna post this one right here. So tap here in the bottom right corner to post the story. From here I'm gonna wait for somebody to view the story, and I'm gonna cut back with you guys in a minute. Here we are now guys. As you can see, someone viewed my story. If I want to see if that person rewatched the story, just of course open my story first. So I'm gonna tap on the story as well, as you can see guys, and from here tap on the number of viewers in the bottom left corner next to the eye icon. From here, as you can see, it only shows me who has viewed the story. To see how many times everyone has viewed or rewatched the story, tap on story rewatch right here, this option in the top of this screen. Wait for the screen to load up, and from here tap on next in the bottom right here. Now this option is paid, or it is not free. As you can see guys, you have to pay for it. But if you tap on start free trial, you get 1 free week of this feature where you can go ahead and pay from here, and after that week of course. So the first week is for free, and you can see who has rewatched your story for free for 1 whole week on Snapchat. And that's it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions of course in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe to the channel for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in future videos guys.